Okay, this tutorial will cover installing WordPress on your Godaddy account. Pretty simple installation process. WordPress has a quick and easy application manager solution for your WordPress install. So once you have your domain set up, recommend you run WordPress on a Linux platform, not Windows, but your requirements are PHP and MySQL. Although it will run on Windows with PHP MySQL, I have seen problems with it 90% of the time. So go with a Linux hosting solution if you have that option. Once you're set up and ready to go ahead and go to your control center. And once you're inside your Godaddy hosting control center or control panel, go ahead and go to your applications. And WordPress should be at the top or near the top, first three or so. And there it is. Select WordPress. Godaddy's going to take a look and it's going to see that you already have a compatible hosting platform. And we say, yeah, we want to install that. Sounds great. Go ahead and click Install Now. And select the domain you wish to install it on. Obviously, we just have one RC Pins here. Going to select that guy. Click Next. Now we're going to create our database. By default, it'll show up as WordPress, the name. Leave it that way if you want. Give it an admin password, something you will remember and something that's hard to hack. Click Next. Now, depending on whether you're going to install it at the root directory or if you already have an existing site and you just want to add WordPress on, then you can install it under a file or a subdirectory of your root directory. In this instance, we're going to be installing a fresh copy of WordPress on the entire site. So I'm just going to clear that out and leave it right there at rcpins.com. Once you have that set up, go ahead and select Next. Now we're creating the admin name for your WordPress login. Create the name admin and a password that you will remember, and that is hard to hack. And verify the password and set up your admin email. So all admin messages will be sent to that email address. And then give your blog a title. Very important. It is what your site is. So that is basically what's going to be indexed with every search engine out there. You can change that at a later date if you so choose once you're in WordPress. Click Finish. And that pretty much is the entire installation process for WordPress. It takes about 15 to 30 minutes for the database to be created and all the WordPress files to be installed into your root directory. So just check back regularly. As you can see right here, it's creating the database. But that's it. Give it a little time and then you can directly log into your website. I'm just giving you an example here at infrareds.com, but you would just type in WP admin at the end of your domain name and you're ready to log in and start using WordPress.